Honest look at why YouTube Premium might be a smart investment. YouTube is an incredible platform offering a seemingly endless stream of entertainment, education, and everything in between. But let's be honest, the ads can be a real drag. That's where YouTube Premium comes in. If you're wondering if it's worth the investment, let's dive into the benefits and see if it's a good fit for you. What is YouTube Premium? YouTube Premium is a paid subscription service that enhances your YouTube experience in several key ways. Ad-free viewing. Say goodbye to those pesky ads that interrupt your videos. Background play. Listen to videos while using other apps or when your screen is off. Offline downloads. Save videos to watch later when you don't have an internet connection. YouTube Music Premium. Get ad-free access to YouTube Music with background play and offline downloads for songs. Why you might consider YouTube Premium. Uninterrupted viewing. The most obvious benefit is the ad-free experience. If you're a frequent YouTube user, the constant interruptions can be frustrating. YouTube Premium lets you enjoy videos without those annoying pauses. Multitasking made easy. Background play is a game changer, especially if you like listening to music, podcasts, or educational videos while doing other things. Entertainment on the go. Offline downloads are perfect for long flights, commutes, or anywhere you might not have reliable internet access. Bonus: YouTube Music Premium. If you're already a music lover, having YouTube Music Premium bundled is a great perk. It's a solid alternative to other music streaming services. Is it worth the cost? The value of YouTube Premium depends on how you use YouTube. If you're a casual viewer, the free version might be sufficient. However, if you're a frequent user who dislikes ads, enjoys multitasking, or wants offline access, YouTube Premium can be a worthwhile investment. Consider how much you value an ad-free, uninterrupted experience, the convenience of background play, and the ability to download videos. If these features align with your YouTube habits, then YouTube Premium could be a smart choice for you. Give it a try. The good news is that YouTube Premium often offers a free trial period. This allows you to experience the benefits firsthand and decide if it's a good fit for your needs before committing to a subscription. In conclusion, if you're tired of ads, love background play, or want offline access, it's definitely worth considering. Take advantage of the free trial and see if YouTube Premium is the right investment for you. Stay safe, stay secure, and realize that YouTube Premium isn't essential for everyone, but for many, it's a significant upgrade that enhances their YouTube experience. I personally wouldn't be without it. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.